Dare to enter a world where biological barriers are broken and nightmares come true. Prepare to see the top 10 scariest hybrid animals you won't believe exist, a terrifying tapestry of genetic experimentation that defies natural order. Number 10. Growler bear. DNA testing confirmed the first wild evidence of a growler bear hybrid in 2006. As a result, the number of confirmed hybrids in the wild is estimated to be around 8, though others have been reported, but not confirmed. Physical characteristics of hybrids appear to be intermediate between their parents. Hybrids have smaller bodies than polar bears, but bigger bodies than grizzlies. They can have creamy fur like polar bears, but with a humped back, long claws and brown patches around their eyes and feet like grizzly bears. Growler bears, like their parents, are opportunistic apex predators capable of hunting large prey and subsisting primarily on meat. Their strong front legs are adapted for both fast running to catch prey and having a streamlined body to swim in cold water. Number 9. Liger King. Lions have long been referred to as the kings of the jungle, but a close relative is about to dethrone them. Introducing the liger, an absolute unit created by a male lion mating with a female tiger. Ligers are enormous creatures that can stand more than 4 feet tall at the shoulder, stretch as long as 12 feet, and weigh up to 1,200 pounds. A purebred African lion, on the other hand, can grow to be 10 feet long and weigh up to 550 pounds. This easily makes the liger the world's largest big cat. The liger's enormous size is now due to a unique combination of genes inherited from its parents. Because a male lion must compete for breeding rights, his genes promote growth in his offspring in order for them to survive. Number 8. The living lettuce. Remember when you were a kid and your mother used to tell you, "You are what you eat"? That might not be true for us, but it is for this little guy. Meet the green sea slug, also known as the eastern emerald elysia when it's showing off. This unassuming gastropod can grow to be about 2.5 inches long and can be found all along the eastern coast of the United States. So, what distinguishes it as a hybrid? This voracious species has consumed so much algae over the centuries that it has developed the ability to produce its own chlorophyll, transforming it into half slug and half plant. The substance chlorophyll allows plants to convert sunlight into energy, effectively making the green sea slug the world's first solar-powered slug as well as the first bizarre plant-animal hybrid. Number 7. Coy wolf, coyote plus wolf. The coy wolf is a coyote-wolf hybrid that can be found from Canada to Virginia in eastern North America. For decades, people mistook coy wolves for eastern coyotes. However, the coy wolf's large size, the animals are larger than western coyotes but smaller than wolves, has perplexed both scientists and laypeople since the animals were first described in 1969. Coyotes and eastern wolves only diverged 300,000 years ago, and the two can reproduce. The resulting coy wolves share many behavioral characteristics and are roughly the size of a coyote or a wolf. Number 6. Dizo, cow plus wild yak. A dizo is a cross between a yak and a domestic cattle. A male hybrid is referred to as a dizo, while a female is referred to as a zomo or zome. It is known as a kainag in Mongolian. There is also the English portmanteau term yattle, which combines the words yak and cattle, as well as yako, which combines the words yak and cow. Zomo are fertile, whereas zo are not. They are larger and stronger than yak or cattle in the region because they are the result of the hybrid genetic phenomenon of heterosis, hybrid vigor. Kainags are thought to be more productive than cattle or yaks in terms of milk and meat production in Mongolia and Tibet. They are larger and stronger than cows and yaks and are prized in Tibet and Mongolia for their meat and milk production. However, as with the beefalo, it is believed that both animal breeds in the region have contaminated genes. Number 5. Leopon, male leopard plus female lion. It is the result of a female lion, lioness, mating with a male leopard. The term is sometimes abbreviated to lepon. The opposite, male lion and female leopard, or leopardess, produces a lipid, which is also known as a reverse leopon. It's not a mermaid, but it's adorable. A holphin is a hybrid of a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin, with the skin of a whale and the face of a dolphin. The first of this species was born in Tokyo in 1981, but he died in less than a year. Although the majority of holphins are born in captivity, they can also be found in the wild. People believe hybrids form when the population of a species declines. It is impossible to breed a leopard, with any partner, and not get spots. Leopons are as spotted as their leopard fathers. While their spots are distinct, leopon spots aren't as dark as pure leopard spots, leaning more towards brown than pure black. Leopons have the same body size as lions, but shorter legs like leopards. They have the potential to grow to be larger than their full-grown leopard father. Number 4. Whale and dolphin. It's not a mermaid, but it's cute nonetheless. A holphin is a cross between a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin, with whale skin and dolphin face. The first of this species was born in 1981 in Tokyo, but he died within a year. Although holphins are mostly born in captivity, they can also be found in the wild. People believe hybrids form when a species population declines. In 1985, when the species mated for the first time in the United States, the term holphin was coined in Hawaii. The child was 400 pounds. Number 3. Zebra and donkey. A zonkey is a cross between a zebra and a donkey. It is native to Africa and, like the zebra, is a wild animal, as opposed to a domesticated animal like the donkey. It has the ability to be aggressive towards humans and other animals. Because of the crossbreed, the zonkey has a lot of strength, which is why it's usually used to carry things. They, like their parents, follow a herbivorous diet. Dogs and cats have haunted these hybrid animals, but hunters remain their greatest threat. They are believed to be resistant to certain diseases and infections. Number 2. A camel and a llama. What happens when a camel and a llama mate? A karma. Who would have guessed? Artificial insemination was first tried and successful in 1998 at the Camel Reproduction Center in Dubai. The experiment's goal was to create an animal with the size and strength of a camel that could produce high-quality wool. Only 5 were made. It can weigh up to 6 times as much as a llama and follows the same herbivorous diet as its parents. Kamas, like camels, can survive for several days on small amounts of water or no water at all. Number 1. Jaguar and a lion. One of the most beautiful hybrids is the jaglion. These are the children of a male jaguar and a female lion. They are larger than the average feline, just like the previously mentioned animal. A famous event occurred in Ontario 15 years ago when a jaguar and a lioness who were raised together mated, resulting in the birth of 2 jaglions, Jazara and Tsunami. Actually, a specimen is on display at the Walter Rothschild Zoological Museum. Its body was lion-colored with jaguar-like rosettes, and its body structure was lion-like. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 scariest hybrid animals you won't believe exist. List. Which one made your spine tingle? Let us know in the comments, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more spine-chilling content. Stay curious, stay terrified until next time.